Hello and welcome to an e-demo of basic interaction with Secure 9000 objects within a Victor and Secure 9000 unified system. So the first thing that you're going to see on this unified system is that we've got a lot more hardware options down the left hand side of my device list. So for example, if I choose this button here, we're going to display all the controllers that are in the system. Or if I choose this button, we can see all the doors. And we can interact with them in the device list as we normally would. If we move up then to the Setup tab, you'll notice that we've actually got a new group on the Setup tab because we're unified. The group's called Access, and what that does is it enables access to all of our Secure 9000 objects and functions. So from here we can view all configured hardware of each type. So for example then, if I choose controllers and I choose Show All, you can see I get a dynamic view of all of the controllers that are configured in my system. If I right click on it, I'll get some additional options. So if I choose Edit, for example, we're going to get some information on the properties and the status of that controller object. We'll go ahead and close out of this. And we'll go back up to our Setup tab, and this time we're going to choose Doors and Show All. And you can see again I've got a dynamic view that lists all of the doors in the system. If I right click on one of them, you can see then that I can also use Victor's Find in Journal or Find on Map functionality on Secure 9000 objects. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Find on Map. And what that's doing then is Victor is going to open up all maps that contain this object, and it's going to highlight that object on the map. So you can see that door flashing green there. If I close out of this and I right click again, you can see we get some more object specific options such as Swipe and Show for this door. We can lock or unlock it, or we can momentarily unlock it. I'm going to go ahead and choose momentarily unlock, and you can see then the mode status will change to unlocked and then back to locked again momentarily. There we go. Okay, so the final thing I want to take a look at then with objects is associations. So if I right click on an object, again this door, and choose Edit, you'll see in addition to all of the read-only information, I also get this section at the bottom called Associations. And what this does is allows us to associate other objects with this object, and it allows for incident building capacity. So if I go ahead and choose the green plus then, you can see that I can associate a vast array of different objects with this specific object. What I'm going to do is go ahead and choose Camera, and I'll pick a camera, choose OK, and then I can save that.